We picked up this gem from Facebook Marketplace and the previous owner says that it doesn't work. He actually bought it himself and then is selling it on as a non-working PC. At first glance, I can't really tell what's wrong with it. I don't know the full specs apart from a GTX 1060 and it is a 6GB model. And judging by the motherboard, I believe there will be a 6th gen processor inside, but we'll have to take it all apart, dig in deep. The computer completely smells. It's dusty. It's not the dustiest PC that we've ever had, which is a good thing. So hopefully the fix is simple. Let's get into it. Tell Microsoft to bugger off and get yourself Windows 11 CD keys for 1/10 of the price. HooKeys have a big sale on, and you can use my code IFR25 to get 25% off with loads of payment methods. Copy your code and paste it here to activate. You can even grab Office for your PC for dirt cheap. Don't pay a reoccurring subscription. Use code IFR25 for 25% off. Links are in the description. All HooKeys software products are on sale right now. Well guys, the PC is finally clean, it's ready to test. I did notice that they didn't have a hard drive or a bootable device in there, so could that have been the reason that they couldn't get their PC to work? Let's find out. First thing I've noticed is I'm not getting RGB from the fans. I don't know whether that's a software issue, but usually by default it should come up as RGB. But The fans are all spinning, so that's a positive. Well, there you go, guys. Windows loaded up. I'm wondering if we fixed something during cleaning or if it was because of the bootable device. Maybe they got stuck on the screen and couldn't figure out how to get any further, and so they thought something was wrong with the PC when in reality it was missing a hard drive. Let's see how this system performs.